Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. My name is Imran bin Abdullah. Today, my team and I will present an analysis of the impact of climate change on the global economy, focusing on air pollution caused by the United Oil Palm Industry in Nimbong Tebal. This topic ties into our role as engineer in addressing societal challenge under EU P22 Engineer in Society. This is my team member, which consists of 5 people. The first one is Imran bin Abdullah. The second is Muhammad Nizam bin Ahmad Shahri. The third is Muhammad Luqman bin Mazlan. The fourth is Muhammad Hafiz Hakimi bin Ghazali. And lastly, fifth is Muhammad Farhad bin Muhammad Sharifa. The issue that I will presenting is about air pollution caused by factory emission at United Oil Palm Industries. This included smoke and particulate matter generated during processing activities, which negatively impact both the environmental and nearby community. In Malaysia, the Environmental Quality Act 1974 and Clean Air Regulation 2014 regulate industrial emissions. This law prohibits pollution beyond acceptable limits, aiming to safeguard public health and environmental. However, enforcement remains a challenge. The primary pollution, including the particulate matter, which is fine particles that are harmful to respiratory health. The second is carbon dioxide, which is greenhouse gases contributing to climate change. The third is the nitrogen oxide, which is smog-forming pollution. And lastly, sulfur dioxide, which cause acid rain and respiratory issues. The stakeholder that involved for these cases is government agency, for example, Department of Environmental, that enforce environmental law and monitor compliance. Next is United Oil Palm Industrial Management, that role for implementing sustainable practice and ensure compliance. Next is a local community that directly affected by pollution, also concerned about health risks and reduced quality of life. Next is non-governmental organizations, NGOs, that advocate for sustainability and hold industry accountable. And lastly, engineer, which design solutions to reduce emission and also concerned about the create cost-effective, sustainable technology. The impact of pollution is extensive. Environmentally, it contaminates water body and harms biodiversity. Societally, it endangers public health, disrupts agriculture, and affects the fishing industry. The collaboration is essential to mitigate this effect. The stakeholder roles. The first one is government, which enforce law and ensure compliance. The second is company, which install waste treatment system to reduce pollution. The third is community, which raise awareness and monitor change. The fourth is NGO, which advocate for environmental protection and support community awareness efforts. And lastly, engineer, which provide pollution for effective effluent treatment. The conflict interested for the company is focused on profit, often neglecting environmental impact. Next is community, which demand clean water for health and agriculture. And lastly, NGO, which advocate for stricter environmental regulation. One innovative solution is closed-loop effluent treatment system that include biogas recovery for energy use. This approach not only reduces emission but also provides a sustainable energy resource. Engineers play a pivotal role in making this solution practical, affordable, and compliant with regulation. Conclusion. In summary, tackling pollution requires joint effort for government, industry, communities, NGOs, and engineers. By combining laws, technology, and cooperation, we can protect our environment and ensure a better future. Thank you.